here's a pro tip for you. You see all these iron deposits? They're these little orange spots. They appear on the exterior of your paint as well. But one area you're not gonna probably spend much time, and this is kind of a pro tip, these are all embedded iron contaminants. So these are going to be greatly improved by the use of an iron remover. If you've ever smelled this stuff, it's really stinky. And the idea is where it encounters like the iron deposits, again, this is on the inside of a door jamb, it's going to turn purple. So, I don't know if your other detailers are using iron removers, but take a look at this. What we're going to do is let that basically sit there for a couple of minutes, and with that dwell time, it's going to break down a lot of those iron deposits. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with some steam, and we will see what this looks like in just see that purple right there? So we'll be back in just a second. And we're certainly not going for perfection here, but as I do my final wipe down, you can kind of see how much better that looks. It's not perfect, right? We're talking about a door jamb here, but a lot of that embedded iron is gone. You've got a nice shiny door jamb, and you're just taking care of the paint. So, not perfect. I see a few left over, but pretty much a lot better than it was before. And you know, just a little detail that maybe not everybody's gonna get to.